Let's have a look on the Indian childhood population. 0 to 6 years population approximately comprise 13% share of the total population is of 0 to 6 years of age group, and 1 to 4 years of age group के children को toddler भी बोलते हैं. They comprise of 10% of the total population. When we are talking about the Millennium Development Goal के कौन से target number 4 में under 5 mortality reduction की बात कही गई, कितना रिडक्शन, इट शुड बी लेस देन रिडक्शन अप टू 2/3 ऑफ द करंट वैल्यू. द मेन चाइल्डहुड प्रॉब्लम, अगर मेन चाइल्डहुड प्रॉब्लम्स पूछी जाए तो what are they? These are the low birth weight, malnutrition, infection, accidents and poisoning and behavioral problem are the main childhood problem in India. And malnutrition can be both undernutrition and overnutrition. When it is called underweight or undernutrition, when it is less than 2 standard deviation of weight for that age is called undernutrition, and when it is less than 3 standard deviation for weight for age for that particular age group is called severe undernutrition. And the WHO growth chart is adopted. It is as per the WHO growth chart that is adopted in February 2009. Let's have a look on the important child health indicators जिनकी वैल्यूज, करंट वैल्यूज एंड नेशनल हेल्थ पॉलिसी टारगेट्स और सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स के टारगेट्स पूछे जा सकते हैं. इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट की इंडिया में करंट वैल्यू 33 एंड एज पर द NHP टारगेट इट शुड बी रिड्यूस टू 28 by 2019 एंड एज पर सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल इज 12. It should be less than 12. ऐसे ही neonatal mortality current value is 23 and should be reduced to 16 by 2025 and 12 by sustainable development goal. And under 5 mortality is current value is 37, 23 तक reduce करके लाना 2025 तक, and it should be reduced as per sustainable development goal. It should be reduced to 25. तो current values और SDG के क्या टारगेट्स एंड गोल है ये पता होना चाहिए. दैट कैन बी आस्क्ड इन द वन लाइनर क्वेश्चंस. This table shows the current prevalence of different health conditions under 5 children की. जो LBW की प्रिवलेंस अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इंडिया में 22% है. क्वाशरकोर एंड मैरास्मस इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1%. बाइटॉटो स्पोर्ट्स की प्रिवलेंस 1% अराउंड. आयरन डिफिशियंसी एनीमिया पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ 70%. अंडरवेट की प्रिवलेंस 42.6% एंड स्टंटिंग इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 48%. वेस्टिंग ऑल्सो 20% एंड obesity ranges for 6 to 30%. This is as per the most recent data I found. Provision of the screening services, especially at the newborn period and at 6 weeks to 6 years children and 6 years afterward, is an important service area included in under 5 services. Screening services provided by either at the facility or by mobile medical teams by ASA or Anganwadi workers, or in 6 years to 18 years of children by school-based screening services by dedicated mobile health teams. Among the neonatal health services also included the essential newborn care at every delivery point and sick newborn care at FRUs, at every FRUs and every district hospitals, and also the home-based newborn care. 3 types of care has to be provided, that is essential newborn care, sick newborn care and home-based newborn care. Among the nutritional program planned are the provision of promotion of infant and young children feed as per IYCF practices under the MAR, that means Mother's Absolute Affection Program, micronutrient supplementation along with the management of severe acute malnutrition, SAM children's, and the National Deworming Day celebration. All these initiatives comes under the nutritional services. Nutritional services under 5. Infection is one of the major health problem of the childhood period. So management of the common childhood illnesses and especially the infection like diarrhea and acute respiratory infection is included in the service areas. For the management of the infection, we include the provision of the immunization services, management and treatment of the acute and infectious diseases, elimination of measles and Japanese encephalitis related death, and also the polio eradications. Other interventions include the strengthening of the health manpowers, healthcare workers by skill-based training, and also infrastructure in strengthening for those providing the child health services. Concept of under 5 clinic is given for the under 5 health services, including health education, preventive care, treatment, growth monitoring, and care of illness of under 5, along with the family planning included in the component of the under 5 services. Now, to assess the status of under 5 children's health, the child survival index is used. How it is calculated? 1000 minus under 5 mortality rate divided by 10. For India, it is as per 2013 data is 94.7. And under 5 mortality rate, how it is calculated? It is calculated by number of under 5 children death per thousand of live births in a given year. And it is under 5 mortality rate is a basically best indicator for the social and well-being rather than GNP, as GNP include only the income part of that portion, while the mortality include these to assess the child's health status in the community. Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram is launched under the NRHM head in February 2013, which basically aimed at catering the 4 Ds, that is defect, delays, deficiencies and diseases. And the main approach is the screening and early intervention for these 4 things. Approximately 6% children in India are born for birth defects and 10% suffer from the developmental delays, and on an average 4% of under 5 mortality rate and 10% of neonatal mortality rate is attributed to birth defect alone. This is the detailed list of the defects, deficiencies and diseases and disabilities included in the program.